French characters can be a bit tricky, kind of like trying to order a croissant in Paris without butchering the pronunciation. DataStage helps us handle them, but if the encoding isn't right, things can go haywire. We need to set up configurations correctly to avoid strange data transformations. National Language Support, NLS, plays a big role in ensuring everything works seamlessly. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. DataStage is like the Swiss Army knife of ETL tools, versatile and powerful. But when it comes to handling text, character encoding plays a huge role. Picking the right encoding prevents issues like scrambled text or weird symbols appearing in our data. Think of encoding as the language our data speaks. Getting it wrong means confusion, like mixing up English and French in a conversation. Imagine trying to chat with someone who only speaks French, while you only understand English. Total communication breakdown. That's where NLS steps in for data processing. It ensures our multilingual data stays intact and readable across different systems. DataStage offers powerful NLS configurations, making sure our data speaks the right language without getting lost in translation. In today's world, businesses operate across borders, handling data in multiple languages. Misconfiguring encoding can turn perfectly good text into unreadable gibberish. DataStage, with the right NLS settings, ensures our data stays accurate and well-structured, regardless of language. Because let's be honest, nobody wants their customer's name appearing as a series of question marks. Ever tried reading French text only to see strange symbols instead of proper accents? That's where Unicode saves the day. It ensures that every E acute and C cedilla displays perfectly across systems. Plus, it helps us avoid encoding errors that mess up our data. So without Unicode, handling multilingual data can be a nightmare. So let's embrace Unicode. It's like an international passport for characters. Data conversion isn't just about flipping bits, it's about keeping our French characters intact. Using the right conversion tools ensures accuracy, and proper mapping between character sets prevents awkward surprises. And don't forget those tricky special characters. They love sneaking in just to cause problems. Converting data might sound technical, but trust me, it's just like ensuring your recipe ingredients don't get lost in translation. Imagine sending an email in French, only to find that half the characters turned into gibberish. That's why testing matters. Running validation ensures our encoding is flawless. Using sample datasets helps us spot display errors, and automation keeps everything consistent. And trust me, catching errors early saves you from headaches later. So let's put our detective hats on and track down every last encoding gremlin. Errors love to hide in encoding mismatches. 1 minute everything looks fine, next thing you know, EAcute turns into hash. Debugging tools help us crack the code, literally. Truncated data is another troublemaker, so fixing character corruption is key. Prevention is better than cure, and a good configuration keeps errors from sneaking in. Troubleshooting may feel like chasing ghosts, but trust me, we'll catch them. Setting up DataStage NLS might feel like assembling IKEA furniture. Lots of steps, but worth it in the end. Picking the right character set is crucial, otherwise French accents might vanish. Proper encoding settings ensure smooth processing, and testing confirms everything works as expected. And don't forget to document the setup. Future you will thank you when troubleshooting gets easier. Let's talk real-world examples. Businesses with multilingual databases depend on Unicode for smooth operations. Third-party systems integrate better when encoding matches up. And users, they appreciate clean, accurate character display. It's all about making things effortless. Plus, Unicode speeds up data processing because, let's face it, slow systems drive everyone crazy. We covered a lot, but here's the short version. Unicode is a lifesaver for French characters. Data conversion techniques help avoid messy encoding issues, and validation makes sure everything works smoothly. Troubleshooting helps squash errors, and best practices keep DataStage humming. Follow these steps and French text will be looking flawless. Merci beaucoup for sticking with me. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.